That's cool. It's adjusting my wattage. So it's the first ride with the Zwift Cog. Giving this a try. Haven't ridden Zwift in quite a while, to be honest. It's been months. Been riding outside, which is nice, but decided to buy the Cog because it's only $40, but it allows me to run multiple bikes on the same cassette. So I had to dig out my box for my trainer, which luckily I still had it. And I found the adapters for a through axle. So I figured what I'd do is I'd put the Ibis on here, the Haka, which is through axle. So I needed to find that. And now I can switch between the two bikes. I just have to keep the skewer for the Bryant handy. And I suppose I could put the tumbleweed on here too. I think it fits down to a 9-speed chain, so it'd give me an option. Plus I can keep a bike inside and have it ready to go. So like today, right now, I'm just gonna spin for a little bit just to try it out. First ride, so I figured I might have to adjust the Cog, but it actually sounds pretty good. It's not making any noises like I looked online. I think the chain sounds pretty good. You have to be in the inner ring so that it's a straight line, since the Zwift Cog is centered in what your be a normal cassette, so the derailleur is shifted into the middle ring on the rear, and then the front is shifted to the inner ring. Try to keep as straight as possible. And then the Zwift Cog has these buttons, so you can press these buttons and that's how you shift. Although I'm just riding in ERG mode, so there's no shifting. It's just gonna adjust right now. It says I'm supposed to be at 160, but it's definitely not that. I'm only at 105 watts, so something's not clicking. I'm not sure. Maybe I hit the button and I dialed it back too far unintentionally. Or maybe I'm just behind. I guess it's been so long I kind of forgot how to read the screen. Oh, so I'm free riding, that's what it is. So I think I can shift up. I think I'm in a free ride mode, not an ERG mode. Yeah, it's not holding, I see it now. So in this one I'm basically free riding, and I'm supposed to be picking a gear to put out the watts. And I'm used to riding in ERG mode where it does it for you. So now I'm about to hit the next section and I'll bring the cadence up. Yeah, there we go. And now I'm setting the wattage. Oh, I remember how to do this. It's just been a while. Funny enough, this is just called the cafe ride. I just picked the 30-minute ride. I'm not even sure I'll do all 30, but just wanted to try it out. Make sure everything's working again. Had cleaned up the trainer a little bit, cleaned up the area, made sure everything's updated, firmware is current, installed the clog. I don't know if that noise is coming from the cog or from my saddle. Okay, now I'm going to reduce. Now I'm in a rest period. And I think we're going into zone 3 next in 30 seconds. So, and here we go. This is where I gotta figure out how to shift because I'm in too easy of a gear. Wish I was a slightly, like 1 or 2 gears more. This cadence would be right for me. Let's end this and ride. Figure out what I did wrong here. Okay. Let's go back to pair. Resistance. Oh, maybe that's it. I think I didn't have it connected properly. Okay, let's try this now. Let's see. Warm up. Okay. So this says, now if I hit the plus, it should crank it up. Now I think it's doing it the right one. So let me see if I can go into the Zwift companion. So now it's doing it right. At 139, 139. Now I'm controlling it properly. So there's a setting I'd missed when I turned it on. So I started at 130 watts. Now it's gradually going up. And so I think if I swipe ahead, yep, should push it to 170. Which actually, I don't really feel, so that's good. Let's see, let's go to 190, 195. Yeah, I feel that. For sure, and 225. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's working now. Cool. So I'm putting out 225 right now. Well, I'm just sitting at 225. Hanging on is probably a better word for it. I guess next will be to do a free ride where I can play with the gearing and figure that out. Let's see if I can do that. Just pick the classic, who cares? Okay. Now I'm rolling. So, okay, I see now. It says I'm in gear 8. So, oh, there we go. Press the plus. Gear 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, oh Jesus, can't even turn that. That's 340 watts right there. All right, let's go back to something manageable. This is cool. Okay, that's too much. I'm in gear 12 right now. Let's see. Oh, I'm flat, that's why. Let's see. So it goes all the way down to 1. It's only 57 watts because no resistance. Crank it back up. Cool. That's a good warm up. Gear 11, about 150, 160 watts. 4% grade. So it's going up so I can dial it back a gear. And looks like I'm about to crest. So crest to go up a gear. Keep it about the same watts. Stay steady. Cool. No, it's working. Awesome. I think I'll probably do a ride maybe in the morning on here. Christmas morning. What else is there to do but ride around Zwift? right? Especially with this rain we're getting, so that was part of the calculation, was we got a lot of rain right now, so this takes away all the obstacles in the way. All right, in this, I just do end, stop. Oh, it doesn't want to stop now. End ride.